Okay, so I know everyone has seen the buffalo check pumpkins made with the Dollar Tree baby cloth or blanket, rather. So I'm going to show you my version of it, and then I'll do another one. So I'll just begin by cutting the top out, and I'm going to paint the pumpkin white because you can see the orange through this little blanket. And then I'll put the blanket on and decorate. Now, instead of putting a stem in this one, I'm going to put some florals in it. I'm using the cotton stem pick from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to add a couple of sunflowers just to give it some color. And there you have it. We'll start on number 2. Now I'm going to paint this one brown because I'm going to wrap it in burlap, but the burlap didn't seem to be enough, so I did put some mesh on it after the burlap. And you don't have to have full coverage, just enough to tone that orange down. And here's the burlap. I believe I got this at Walmart after Christmas last year on clearance, and it is really thin. So after I put it on, I decided to go in with some decorative mesh, and it looked a whole lot better. I did spray paint a couple of sticks and put in there, and now I'm using some of these leaves off the pumpkin stem from Dollar Tree. And I had one little piece of wire that I had already curled for another project, and I just added that also. And here you'll see I'm going to add a little bit of raffia just to give it some more texture and add some height. And now for the display. I hope you enjoyed these 2 quick, easy pumpkin DIYs today. They were super simple to make. Thank you so much for watching today. I do have a fall playlist if you're interested. I will put the link in the description box below, so check it out. And as always, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you're not, I'd love to have you join my family. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next video.